Thank you everyone for being here. Today's video time and that session was really amazing because I think it's second time we are doing a presentation, right? But before starting anything, I just want to write down something here. The word life. Whatever we're doing right now, just focusing on this word, right? Everything we're doing, we're eating something, we're trying to earn money, we're attending this class, and everything, even this presentation itself, are based on this life, to make this life organized. Am I right? Yes. If it is, then just think about life. If it is a line of the age of world, and that is your life. It's time for it, right? And that is past. That is past, and that is future. If I put a lot of line there, again and again, maybe 100, 200, 300, 400, 5,000, 20,000, and goes on. Maybe billions of lives have passed, right? And in future, you're going to have a lot of people, your upcoming generation. It may be on billion, even trillion, it can be, right? So all of the thing is a matter of time. We have this precious time that's the point, right? And that is our life. So time is precious, our life is precious. So everything we do based on that time, right? So I've taken a piece of paper to make that presentation better so that you guys, I can be able to express everything properly. So don't mind about it. In my second topic is that one of my friends said he was very sick for a couple of days, and one of my friend's mother was very sick. That's why they weren't able to attend this class, even cities, even our lab final examination. Who on earth will have that courage to do that, to miss all of the labs because they will lag their one semester? Because we have priorities in our life. We have something special than everything else. We have emotional attachment with our family members, our father, our mother, and even with our life. So we have to save lives. And you know what? If you have been through that situation, life in that classroom in RUET, or life in cafeteria, or life when you're eating, or life in a shopping complex when you're buying something, and life in medical, in hospital are not the same. People are dying on sick bed, and their relatives are trying to do anything for saving or for extending their 1 hour or 2 hour of time in their life. So that's all about life. And recently, not recently, always, a lot of diseases are occurring, right? Like if you visit a hospital, you will find someone having a tumor in their back, someone having blood cancer, someone having brain tumor, someone just damaged their lungs, right? A lot of problems are there. You can trust me that 100 million, even more than that, people are dying worldwide because of just disease. I'm not talking about accident, natural death, or anything. And out of that, 2.5 million of people are dying because of pneumonia. Is it a matter of concern for us? Isn't it? Yes. 2.5 million people. Just think about the classroom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And again 10, 60, 10, right? We all are 60 people in that classroom. Just imagine we all are dead. 60 people. Even if you consider about the RUET, it's not a tiny part out of these 2.5 million people. So of course that's a matter of concern. That's why we took pneumonia as a thing. The main point is our traditional system has developed a beautiful process for pneumonia. It can solve that problem, but one thing is very bad, detecting that problem. I am having pneumonia or not, we cannot detect it properly. Sometimes it takes 2, 3, 4 days, and even sometimes we get undetected, and that's why the end result is death. If any one of your family members are undetected and he or she has pneumonia, she will be or he will be dead, right? So that's not the matter of concern. That's not the case. That shouldn't be the case. We have a lot of technologies. The world is evolving. Everything is evolving. So we have better technology, better thing. So we have to solve that problem, and we solved it. By how? First of all, considering a problem like if you consider about a traditional system, you will find that we need experts for detecting pneumonia. We put X-ray report on his hand, he will see, and he will say, yeah, he has pneumonia. But sometimes human has years. You will make years. A lot of years will occur because sometimes he may have depression. He's going there and he has family trouble. He can make some mistakes. That is human error. And not only that, in rural side or in remote side of our country or in world, you'll find that there are no medical centers or hospitals, but one thing is common, even if there are hospitals, no experts are visiting there. Even occasionally if they are visiting, maybe on that time you don't have pneumonia. But if when you have pneumonia, there are no experts visiting there, then what? So we developed a system combining image processing and AI and deep learning, everything, and millions of data put together in the machine and a lot of code, and then we establish a thing that will help you identify pneumonia in the case of 96% without special personalities or experts. Just a machine in the rural side, in the remote side, in a hospital, you go there, put X-ray report there, and that will detect your problem. Isn't it a good solution? No expert is needed. No expert, never. So that is the main problem. I am not synchronized with this slide. That's why please sir pardon me. Actually, I put most effort on my voice here. So that's odd. And Mandela OCT and CEST X-ray dataset. We were using CEST X-ray dataset. There are millions of images of X-rays that actually helped us to detect pneumonia. And we have accuracy of 96.2% using VGG16. And you know what? 95.9% using VGG19. Which is, I would say, which is beautiful in a sense of without any expert. Just going there, put X-ray report, and I will just giving the X-ray to the machine. And machine is saying, go man, go work. You don't have pneumonia. Man, go to hospital, you have pneumonia. You have 3 days left. If you don't do anything, you will die. So I have to save my life. So that's what we did. I think that is the end of my presentation. Thank you, sir, for allowing me that time.
Okay, good. So, তোমার idea আছে VGG16, VGG19 এগুলো কি?
Sir, I have been through that on internet. So that was saying that it's a process of our AI is based something. I just learned through it.
Deep learning network.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Sir, left to me.
9 years old,
Yes, sir.
তোমার গ্রুপে আর কি আছে?
I'm presenting my next group member, Nabil Rupok, Jonathan Rupok. I cannot open it up. This is my first time.